Palladium against US dollar, we can see, has rise in value this week and the week before, where the price has reached an area here around 974.95, 975 for example, the price level, and the price has bounced back down and then returned all the way back up. So currently it is at this resistance level. The weekly time frame shows us after the price has formed this bearish breakout, the price continued to fall down but did not reach an area 822.30, which is the next support level, but the price has turned all the way back up, and we can see currently the price has formed this bullish breakout above 937.50. Monthly time frame shows us the previous month has been closed as a bearish breakout. Currently the price formed this bullish candle which has invalidated this bearish breakout. It has also made a bullish breakout above very important resistance level 937.50, and currently it is above, which is indication for the further rise in value, because the bulls have overtaken this bearish momentum and currently we have stronger bullish traders pushing the price higher. So on the weekly time frame we can see that this is also a bullish breakout, which is indicating further rise in value. So the next resistance levels where the price could stop is this one here around the 1000. Above that, where the price could stop is around this one, which is 1044, and the next one will be around this area here, around this resistance visible. Daily time frame shows us a bullish momentum, so it is expected, at least from my side, I'm expecting for the price to move again to the higher price levels, and we can see very important resistance levels will be right here that needs to be broken in order to easily move to the higher price levels. So I'm not expecting for the price to make a move down unless I see the price going below 905.06. If that happens, we'll see the price going even more down, but until that happens, I'm still open to see price moving to the high price levels. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.